Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Immediately, here, my representative from Group 2 will explain as well as briefly discuss the TOEFL exercise 2 number 1 and will be continued by myself. Conflict within an organization is not always viewed as undesirable. In fact, various managers have greatly divergent ideas on the value that conflict can have. According to the traditional view of conflict, conflict is harmful to an organization. Managers with this traditional view of conflict see as their role in an organization to rid the organization of any possible source of conflict. The interactionist view of conflict, on the other hand, holds that conflict can serve an important function in an organization by reducing complacency among workers and causing positive change to occur. Managers who hold an interactionist view of conflict may actually take steps to stimulate conflict within the organization. Number 1. How is the information in the passage organized? Jawabannya B. Contrasting views of conflict are presented. Bisa dilihat pada paragraf ketiga pada kata on the other hand yang artinya di sisi lain menandakan bahwa adanya perbedaan ide atau perbedaan pandangan yang kontras. Perbedaan tersebut terjadi karena adanya sebuah konflik.
Number 2. What type of information is included in the third paragraph? Jawabannya D. A description of one of the opposing views of conflict. Karena ide ketiga yaitu di sisi lain pandangan interaksi tentang konflik dapat berfungsi penting dalam organisasi dengan mengurangi rasa puas diri di antara pekerja dan menyebabkan terjadinya perubahan positif. Ekspresi pada paragraf ketiga menandakan ide atau paragraf yang kontras.
IQ or intelligence quotient is defined as the ratio of a person's mental age to chronological age, with the ratio multiplied by 100 to remove the decimal. Chronological age is easily determined. Mental age is generally measured by some kind of standard test and is not so simple to define. In theory, a standardized IQ test is set up to measure an individual's ability to perform intellectual operations such as reasoning and problem solving. These intellectual operations are considered to represent intelligence. In practice, it has been impossible to arrive at consensus as to which types of intellectual operation demonstrate intelligence. Furthermore, it has been impossible to devise a test without cultural bias, which is to say that any IQ test so far proposed have been shown to reflect the culture of the test makers. Test takers from that culture would, it follows, score higher on such a test than test takers from a different culture with equal intelligence. Number 3. The type of information included in the first paragraph is B. A definition. Karena pada paragraf pertama menjelaskan sebuah pengertian atau definisi terkait topik yang sedang dibahas. Number 4. How does the information in third paragraph differ from that in the second paragraph? Jawabannya adalah A. It represents a contrasting point of view. Pembahasannya, pada paragraf kedua dijelaskan secara teori standar tes IQ dibuat untuk mengukur kemampuan proses berpikir seseorang seperti proses penalaran dan juga proses pemecahan masalah. Sedangkan pada paragraf ketiga dalam prakteknya, tes IQ tidak menjamin bahwa proses berpikir seseorang itulah yang menunjukkan tingkat kecerdasan seseorang, sehingga bisa diketahui antara teori dan prakteknya saja sudah berbeda. Jadi itu yang menyebabkan sudut pandang yang kontras.
The learners, like in the words United States is the Great Salt Lake, and in less saltwater lake in northwestern Utah, just outside the state capital of Salt Lake City. River and stream feed into the Great Salt Lakes, but none drain out of it. This has a major influence on both the salt content and the size of the lake. Although the Great Salt Lake is fed by freshwater stream, it is actually salty that the ounce of the world the salt comes from the more than 2 million tons of mineral that fall into the lake each year from the river and check that feed sodium and chloride. The comfort of the salt compares the large majority of the lake's mineral contents. The Great Salt Lake can vary trembled from its normal size of 1.700 cubic meter depending on the long-term water conditions. During periods of heavy rains, the size of the lake can swell tremendously from the huge amount of water flowing into the lake from in the fresh river and stream. In 1980, the lake even reached size of 2.400 cubic meter during period of dry water. The size of the lake decreases sometimes drastically due to evaporation. How is information in the past original? Jawabannya A. Two usually cartoons of the Great Salt Lake are discussed. Karena pada paragraf pertama memberikan 2 poin atau 2 karakter terkait Great Salt Lake yang akan dibahas, yaitu the salt content and the size of the lakes. Number 6. The third paragraph contains information on. Jawabannya A. How the size of the lake affect water conditions. Karena pada paragraf ketiga membahas terkait ukuran Great Salt Lakes. Kesimpulan dari soal di atas yaitu untuk menemukan ide paragraf cerita tersebut, maka kita harus memahami isi cerita tersebut sehingga kita mudah untuk menemukan gagasan pokok dari cerita tersebut.
That's all, and thanks from our group. If there is lag, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.